Yeah, welcome to the BSN channel. I woke up in the morning. I'm not too hungry, but I need something in my stomach. Okay? I need something in my stomach the Ghanaian way. So what is perfect is some iced Kenkey. But I got some fancy Kenkey, yeah? Which is more bitter, has more of a flavour to it. Has more character, yeah? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this with some milk, some sugar. I'm going to mix it. Put some ice in it if you want to. Well, I've skipped the process. It's already here. You've got the milk, the sugar, and the fancy Kenkey. It doesn't have to be fancy Kenkey. It can be Ga Kenkey, but you know, my mum came back not long ago and brought it back. So, we'll see. My mum in the background telling me to cover it, obviously. I'm not going to get in trouble to spill this.
Don't mess my kitchen up.
I'm not going to spill this whole place. Right.
And hold it as you blend it.
Okay. It's going to get a bit noisy now. What? Okay. Got to turn it on there. Oh, wrong. Okay. Alright. A little malfunction.
Hey, open your eye. Be aware.
Yeah. This is normal.
Hold it.
Milk, sugar. I'm not going to do it for too long because I like it a bit lumpy.
Take the spoon, let's taste it.
Smelling good. And bring the camera for 1 minute. Another good technique to use if you wanted to make it more tasty is either add some nourishment or add some carnation milk if you're that type of person. But if you're a healthy person, no. Okay, someone give me a croix, please. One cup. With that.
Hey, that's enough.
See, my mom wants some. You drink it, mom.
No, you taste it. Wow. It's light.
It needs carnation milk, but it's nice.
Is it light? Is it
It's
too much?
It's very light. It's nice.
Too much sugar?
A lot of sugar, but it's nice.
And smoothie. Go easy. Cough. Cough it out.
It needed a bit more milk.
You got a bit more milk. It's liquid enough.
Oh, that's nice. Don't let that deter you. It's not hot or anything. There's no gravel inside.
It's smooth.
It's just sometimes let it blend for longer. Yeah.
But you want it lumpy.
But it's very nice. Very nice. If you look inside, it's like a dessert. It's nice. Anyway. We'll be doing more videos soon on more foods, a bit more comedy. Peace out.